Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to turn off the Telegram passcode lock. First you'll need to open your Telegram application. Then at the bottom you're going to click on the settings icon. Then let's click on privacy and security. Here we have passcode lock. It is on. We need to turn it off. We need to retype the passcode. Then here they want us to turn it off. Then let's click on the turn passcode off. Are you sure you want to disable your passcode? Then you will need to click on turn off. Guys, you have turned off the passcode lock as you can see. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.